Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about Windows 11, who loves to restart at the worst possible time. So today we're going to be focusing into the quick break and the hard lock using the services and braces for those who want the total silenced. So there's a soft pause, you might be saying. Starting with the official way, what you wanted to do, of course, is to sign in directly into your computer. You wanted to log it in. You want to look out for the option that says settings. That appears directly inside and down below your taskbar. If you don't see it, you can always go for the search element, type the word settings, and here will be appearing the actual element that says the settings. Now, if you go directly into the left section, you want to look out for the option here that says find a setting. Look out for the option that says updates. So here it will be sending you here directly into the Windows Update settings. Now, you can pause updates for 1 week. You can do this for 2 weeks, for 3, 4, even 5 weeks. This is great for a temporary project, but once that timer hits the 0, Windows will force download everything at once. To get more weeks, you have to go under the actual hood. Now, the second method goes to disabling the update services. If you hit for services into the Windows search bar, like this, it says services. I'm gonna go here and look out for run as administrator. Here, what I need to do is to look out for the scrolling of the right-clicked here. I'm gonna try to find the Windows Update that usually appears directly here. So what I need to do, look out for disable here, or the option that says stop. This will be killing the engine immediately. So just a pro tip that I can give you, you want to go to the recovery tab, for example. And what you want to do, of course, is to make sure that has the element that says take no action, because this prevents Windows from self-healing and turning the service back on behind your actual back. And there's a third method, I believe so, that if you type Windows R, usually what's going to happen here is you need to type the word registered like this, and you want to go for the option that says yes. Here, what you can do is to navigate to the actual path. You can just right-click the Windows folder. So you can select, for example, the option that says new key and name this Windows Update, right? So like this. So inside your new Windows Update folders, you wanted to create another key called AU for automatic updates, and you can create a D word value named no auto updates and set the value to 1. This tells Windows that automatically updates are officially forbidden. But in this case, we want to be doing this at the moment because I believe it's pretty strict, right? So basically, this is how we can actually get started. What I can strongly suggest to be focusing on isn't to try to have your Windows restarted, updated every time that you use this just for future security elements. So remember that by blocking the updates you aren't getting critical security patches, I recommend turning them back on once a month just to say safety. So you're looking for speed at your PC after stopping updates, let me know in the comments below so we can watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.